Tiffany, and I'm here with Tori, our e-commerce merchandiser for CroftSupply.com, our new supply house. Tori, tell us a little bit about what CroftSupply.com is.
Croft Supply is an online supply house for oil and gas replacement parts and consumables. This platform makes it really easy for our clients to find the parts they need in a reasonable amount of time for manufacturers that use quality materials.
What is the benefit of using CroftSupply.com?
The benefit of using CroftSupply.com is the convenience. It saves our customers a tremendous amount of time being able to go online, find the exact part they need. They can check out quick and easy without having to wait on quotes or send over POs. It just makes the process very seamless.
So you said one of the benefits was convenience. How long does it take for one of these to ship out?
Well, most of the items that we have listed on CroftSupply.com are already in our inventory, so there's no lead time to get the parts to our warehouse. We do have some specialty items where there is an exception to that, and if that's the case, it'll be noted in our product description what the lead time is. As far as shipping, Monday through Friday, as long as you place your order before 1 p.m., the order will ship out the same day.
Are there any other options other than shipping?
Yes, a client can always pick up their part here at our facilities in Neville, Texas. If you're a Croft Production Systems client, you can always give us a 48-hour notice before your next scheduled maintenance visit, and our service technician can bring along the parts that you need with them. Our international clients often prefer to use their own freight forwarder, so if that's something you're interested in, you can email us at info@croftsupply.com and we can come up with a solution.
So what all is available on CroftSupply.com?
Croft Supply has gauges, valves, level controllers. We just added a full line of plunger lift parts. The list really goes on, and we're constantly adding more and more parts. So the best thing to do is just frequently visit CroftSupply.com and keep up with what's new. There are several different ways to navigate CroftSupply.com. You can search for parts by the type of product and also by equipment category. For example, if you need pressure gauges, select the pressure gauge category, and all of the pressure gauges we have to offer will be visible. If you need multiple parts for a separator, look under Equipment, select Separators, and it will filter the products to include only those relevant for separators. You can also type in what you're looking for in the search box at the top of the page, either using the product name or the part number. To place an order on Croft Supply, just select what you would like to purchase, and then check out as a guest or make an account. You will just have to enter your billing and shipping address as well as your payment info. It's that easy.
Are there ever any discounts available?
There are discounts available. If you go to the top of the web page, there's a sales section, and that will show all of the items that we have currently at a discounted rate. We also periodically post coupon codes on LinkedIn, so follow us on LinkedIn to stay up to date with what sells and what coupon codes that we have available at the time.
So aside from LinkedIn, what are other ways we can contact you?
Customers can always give us a call at 979-793-2100 or email us at info@croftsupply.com.